Hi everyone, welcome and welcome back to my channel. In today's recipe, I'm going to show you guys how to make this pasta dish that you and your kids will love. Before we begin, if you're new here, please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and let's get started. You'll need your pasta of choice, chopped up carrots, some cashews, some zucchinis, some cooking oil, onions, salt, and pepper. To begin, I'm starting by steaming the vegetables, so I put in the water into a sufuria and the steam basket on top and put in the vegetables. The vegetables I'm using currently are carrots and zucchinis. You can use any other tough vegetable of choice, including bell peppers or even green or French beans. Steaming vegetables take about 7 minutes, depending on which vegetable you're using. So you steam them according to how crunchy you want them at the end of the dish. This meal is a quick one because as you're steaming the vegetables, you can be making the sauce on the side and boiling your pasta. In case you want a detailed recipe, click the link below on the description box. Once the vegetables are steamed, I went ahead to make the sauce. So making the sauce includes adding the oil in the cooking pan, then the onions, cook them till they have softened. Then after that, you add in your cashews and brown them. Once they are slightly golden brown, we add in some water and let it simmer for about 3 to 5 minutes. Next up, we go ahead and make the sauce by blending the cashew nuts, water and the onions. In case you have an immersion blender, go ahead and use it instead of using the regular blender. As that happens, you can be boiling your pasta according to the package instructions, but remember to reserve some pasta water because we might need it later. Once the pasta is ready, we strain and set aside some of the water that we might use in loosening the sauce. Now let's bring everything together by pouring the sauce into an empty saucepan. Then we season it with salt and black pepper and with any other spices you'd like. I hardly use other spices in this recipe. Then you add in your steamed vegetables, with the cooked pasta and stir everything till well combined. You might feel the need of adding a little of the pasta water that we had reserved. Feel free to do so, especially if the sauce is thick, to lighten it a little bit. By this time, your pasta is pretty much done. It's so delicious, and you can be certain your kids and yourself will love it. It takes barely 20 to 25 minutes at most, and it's a dish that will make your kids eat more vegetables. Give it a try and let me know how it goes. It is so good. That's it for now. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like this video if it was helpful, and also subscribe. I will see you on the next one. Bye bye.